choices now. Fairwind moving forward. That's been backs. All set now, ready to race. Race number 9, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. My wife doesn't know. From the outside, Fairwind Buhawi. My Colette Top Guy rushing up, shining again. Down on the inside, the center number 1, Mr. Sensitive. While Beautiful Boss is running at the tail of the field by about 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Fairwind, followed by Shiny again. My wife doesn't know. And on the outside, Buhawi, Mr. Sensitive. And inside the last 650, Fairwind by about 2 lengths, followed by Shiny again in second. And on the outside, Mr. Sensitive rushing about the further outside is Beautiful Boss together with Top Guy Mike Colette. As they race the last 500, Fairwind shining again, Mike Colette, Beautiful Boss, Top Guy on the further outside. Herds of horses fighting it out for the lead. Mike Colette, Beautiful Boss on the outside. Mike Colette by about 2 lengths, followed by Beautiful Boss in second. And ring the last 150, Mike Colette by about 3 lengths, Beautiful Boss in second. And nearing the finish line, Mike Colette with Ai Tansyoko. Second, Beautiful Boss, Top Guy, San Isabel.